So let's quickly continue from where we stopped. Let's just quickly continue from where we stopped in the last video. Use of English, JAMB Expo questions, expected questions you should look at, okay? Choose the word that is opposite in meaning. When we say opposite in meaning, we mean antonyms. Opposite, pay attention, opposite in meaning, opposite in meaning. The warring communities were coerced into negotiating a settlement. The warring communities were coerced into negotiating a settlement. A, driven, opposite of coerce. To coerce somebody means to force the person. Okay, the opposite of coerce, is it driven? Is it compelled? To compel somebody also means to force the person. Is it persuaded? Is it pressure? To pressure somebody also means to force the person. So the answer is persuaded. Persuaded is that you are talking to the person gradually, you are persuading the person gradually, you are not forcing the person. So the answer is option C. Okay. Are you following? Question 37. His father served as a dash to the army. His father served as a mercenary to the army. His father served as a mercenary to the army. A, preacher to the army. B, regular to the army. C, recruit to the army. D, officer to the army. His father served as a mercenary in the army. Is it as a preacher in the army, as a regular in the army, as a recruit in the army, as an officer in the army? So it's as a regular in the army. Jumia is cruel to her husband. Remember, we're looking at opposite meaning. No, don't take your eyes off this. Jumia is cruel to her husband. Jumia is cruel to her husband. A, opposite meaning of cruel. Is it harsh? Is it brutal? Is it passionate? Or is it ferocious? Opposite of cruel. Is it harsh? Is it brutal? Is it passionate? Is it ferocious? Jumia is cruel to her husband. The opposite of being cruel is being passionate. Passionate is the answer. Passionate. That is, she's passionately in love. Oh, I hope you are following. Okay. By the way, you are watching part 36. And we have done several videos from part 31, from part 1, part 2. If you want me to give you all the videos we've done on use of English, so that you can sit yourself down with your pen, your paper, begin to watch from part 1 as you prepare for your exam, tell me in the comment section so that I can give you the link. You begin to get yourself ready. The teacher who beat the student was treated with mercy. Opposite meaning of mercy. The teacher who beat the student was treated with mercy. A, disrespect. B, contempt. C, vengeance. D, kindness. The teacher who beat the student was treated with mercy. The opposite of mercy is is it disrespect? Is it contempt? Is it vengeance? Is it kindness? The answer is vengeance. That is, he was treated with vengeance. The people revenged. Okay? His wife hates his garrulous attitude. His wife hates his garrulous attitude. His wife hates his garrulous attitude. A, outspoken attitude. B, unfriendly attitude. C, reticent attitude. D, thoughtful attitude. Remember, question 4, we are looking at the opposite meaning of garrulous. If I were you, anytime you see a word that you do not understand, you go over to a dictionary and find the meaning. So I'm giving you an assignment. Go find the meaning of garrulous, then tell me what is the answer of question 40. I won't tell you the answer of question 40. I need you to go over to your dictionary, find the meaning of garrulous, then come over to these options and tell me what you think is the answer. Do that immediately. Now, 41. Agoshito is a callow youth, said the teacher. Agoshito is a callow youth, said the teacher. So when we say somebody is a callow youth, what do we mean? What do we mean? A, an ignorant youth. B, an experienced youth. C, an idle youth. D, and organized youth. Remember, we're talking about opposite in meaning, and the answer is the opposite meaning of gallo is experience. So B is the option, correct option. What you are asking me to do is a Herculean task. What you are asking me to do is a Herculean task. So the opposite meaning of Herculean is dash. A, strenuous task. B, damaging task. C, a lovely task. D, an easy task. The answer is simple. What you are asking me to do is a Herculean task. Is it a strenuous task, demanding task, lovely task, or an easy task? The answer is D, easy. So opposite of Herculean is easy, because when we say Herculean task, it means a difficult, strenuous, demanding task. Nkechi was a novice when she was first employed. Nkechi was a novice when she was first employed. Remember, we're looking at opposite meaning. Always have that in mind. Recall that if you watch this particular video, this one you are watching, if you watch it to the end, you will receive free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question to your phone. Right? I will show you how you can download it, how you can get it if you watch this video, because I believe we all need past questions. You need your past question, you need your syllables if you must study and pass. Nkechi was a novice when she was first employed. A, opposite meaning of novice, is it manager? B, clerk. C, supervisor. D, professional. Nkechi was a novice when she was first employed. Is it opposite meaning of novice? Is it manager, clerk, supervisor, professional? The answer is professional. If you are professional in something, it means you are no longer a novice. But if you are a novice in something, it means you are not professional in it. You are still a JJC. I do not trust him, he said, in a rare moment of candor. I do not trust him, he said, in a rare moment of candor. So when we say candor, opposite meaning of candor, what do we mean? A, in a rare moment of, is it opposite meaning of candor? Is it reproach or dishonesty or frankness or fairness? When we say candor, what do we mean? Opposite meaning of candor is dishonesty, because when we say candor, we are talking about truthfulness. Okay, we're talking about being truthful. So we say, I do not trust him, he said, in a rare moment of truthfulness. So the answer to 44 is dishonesty. Dishonest. I want to believe you are serious. I want to believe you are taking notes with your pen and your paper. If I were you, I will watch this particular video over and over again, right? I watch this video more than once with your pen and your paper, because we are not playing here. We are not playing here at all. Question 45. Mrs. Akinilo looks anemic today. Mrs. Akinilo looks anemic today. So when we say somebody is anemic, what do we mean? And recall, we are also looking at opposite meaning. Never take your mind out of it. Mrs. Akinilo looks anemic today. A, strange. B, sick. C, weak. D, strong. What is the opposite of anemic? The opposite of anemic, is it strange? Is it sick? Is it weak? Is it strong? The answer to question 45 is strong. Anemic means that she is weak. So the opposite is strong. 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 It is 46. It is inconceivable that the sun shone in the night. It is inconceivable that the sun shone in the night. This sun here should be. It is inconceivable that the sun shone in the night. A, it is credible. When we say inconceivable, the opposite meaning is what? It is inconceivable that the sun shone in the night. A, credible. B, unthinkable. C, impossible. D, contestable. It is inconceivable. Option 46 is what we are looking at. It is inconceivable that the sun shone in the night. A, credible. B, unthinkable. C, impossible. D, contestable. The answer is A. A is credible. When we say inconceivable, it means something that is impossible. Just like it's inconceivable for a man to be pregnant, right? It's something you cannot even think about. So opposite meaning, the nearest one that's the opposite meaning here is A. Okay, we keep going. I hope you are still here. By the way, the videos I drop here, are they helpful to you? Do you benefit from the videos I keep dropping every day? If you are benefiting from them, let me know. Inspire me. Sometimes I feel nobody is watching that is not making sense to you people. But if you are one of the serious ones that is benefiting, tell me so that it will motivate me to make more videos. Also, do you want me to make more videos on any other subject? If there is any other subject, any of your JAMB subject that I've not paid closer attention to, and you want me to concentrate in that area, just also let me know. Okay, 47. She only gives a superficial expression of warmth and friendliness. She only gives a superficial expression of warmth and friendliness. Superficial. Opposite meaning of superficial is what? She only gives a superficial expression. When we say something is superficial, what does it mean? A strong, B, a fake, C, a deep, D, and unrealistic. And we are looking at opposite meaning. She only gives a superficial expression of warmth and friendliness. When we say superficial, we mean that the friendliness or warmth did not reach her heart. It's just fake, right? So the opposite meaning here is deep. When we say she gives a deep expression of warmth and friendliness, it means that it comes from her heart. Like if you say she is deeply in love with you. At your age, most of you are already in love. If you have ever fallen in love, tell us in the comment section. So when we say I am deeply in love with you, it means the love is genuine. But if you say I am superficially in love, it means it's fake. So the opposite meaning of superficial warmth and friendliness here is deep, deep, deep. Okay, question 48. I want to believe you are learning. Also, I've done quite a lot of videos on the JAMB novel, both reading it for you, giving you questions to expect chapter by chapter. That is the JAMB novel for this year. If you need me to give it to you, I will give it to you. I've also done a lot of videos on literature, on chemistry, physics, biology, government, economics, and all the rest. Any of those subjects you want me to give you access to all the videos we've done, just ask me and it could be yours, so that you will be serious, begin to prepare. As a prudent businessman, Adeye does not leave anything to chance. So when we say prudent, what is the opposite meaning of prudent? As a prudent businessman, Adeye does not leave anything to chance. A, frugal. B, shrewd. C, careless. D, unsuccessful. As a prudent businessman, Adeye does not leave anything to chance. A, frugal. B, shrewd. C, careless. D, unsuccessful. Remember, we are looking at the opposite meaning of prudent. The answer is careless. Careless. If you are not prudent, the Bible, for those of you that are Christians, the Bible says, have you seen a man who is prudent in his work? He will stand before kings and not mean men. So prudent means being careful, being shrewd, being frugal, right? But when we say opposite meaning of prudent is careless, like some of you are careless with this JAMB. That is why a lot of persons will fail this JAMB exam. This year, 2-point-something million persons registered for JAMB. Can you comprehend that? Last year, it was only 1-point-something million. So we have more people writing this JAMB, competing for admission. So it will be tougher this year. And that's why you need to put on the whole armor. If you have been reading for 30 minutes, increase it to 1 hour. If you have been really reading for 1 hour, make it 1 hour 30 minutes. If you have been reading for 1 hour 30 minutes, increase it to 3 hours. Because our goal, and I want you to claim it, our goal in this channel is for everybody following this channel to gain admission this year. Claim it in the comment section. You will gain admission this year. You will not be among those that will become a JAMB customer, that you will write this year, next year you will come and write again. No. You will score 300 and above. And you will not only gain admission, but you will gain admission into your university of choice to study your preferred course. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. Question 49. His antipathy affected the growth of his business. His antipathy affected the growth of his business. When we say somebody has antipathy, what does it mean? A, remember looking at opposite meaning. A, hatred. B, receptiveness. C, royalty. D, hostility. His antipathy affected the growth of his business. A, hatred. B, receptiveness. C, royalty. D, hostility. The opposite meaning of antipathy is B, receptiveness. You know, there are some people, if you are coming to their business, they will frown their face, they won't be welcoming. That is what antipathy means. But to opposite of it is being receptive, smiling, calling people, welcoming them, making them to feel relaxed in the business. And if you have a business and you bounce off people, you are not smiling, people will not return to your business. Okay? Now, question 50. Pay attention. Okonkwo's leather right foot. Okonkwo's leather right foot, the magic in the football match. Okonkwo's leather right foot is the magic in the football match. When we say leather, what do we mean? We mean A, weak. B, wicked. C, fat. D, harmless. The opposite meaning of leather is what? The opposite meaning of leather, it means he has a very sharp foot, like Lionel Messi, my man. I don't know. Lionel Messi to me is the best footballer. He has the best leather foot. He performs magic. What is for you? It could be say Ronaldo. Tell me the one you prefer. Okay. Now, Okonkwo's leather feet, right foot, the magic in the football match. It means a very powerful, a very skilled foot. The opposite of it is weak. That fit do anything. Okay. Now we must proceed. Now we proceed to choose the option nearest in meaning. We are done with opposite in meaning. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlying words. A, nearest in meaning. No, this one is synonyms. A, since its inception in 1983, the newspaper has attracted thousands of readers. Since its inception in 1983, the newspaper has attracted thousands of readers. A, Renaissance. B, nearest meaning. B, coming. C, commencement. D, publication. What do you think is the answer? What do you think is the nearest meaning of inception? I won't answer for you. Tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section. And in the next video, part 37, we will continue from this question 51. Remember that what you are watching now is part 56. We started from the other parts. In the next video, we will continue from this option. For you to receive the free materials I promise, just like this video, join our YouTube channel. That one is compulsory. That one is the first thing you must do. Join our YouTube channel, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe. When you have when you have joined, you become a member, and you can talk to me directly. You can ask me your questions, and I will be guiding you until the exam is over. Then like this video, share this video, and subscribe. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you all those materials. There is an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen free of charge. Tap on it now and watch.